Hello everybody, today's video is about how to improve your listening skills. It is presented by Carolina Uribe, Maria Díaz and Julian Acevedo. Here we are going to show you some listening strategies that will help you to improve your listening skills. Here we go.
So, in this part of the video, we're going to show you the first learning strategy. It's called listening for details. With this strategy, you focus your attention on a specific word or details in a listening exercise. So, in this video, you can find some exercise to improve your listening skills.
But how are you going to use the learning strategy? Let's check it out. Here you have the steps to follow the learning strategy. The first step is read the sentence you will have to answer about the listening exercise. Second, circle the keywords in the sentences. And third, use these words to focus your attention during the listening.
I'm Sammy. Hi, my name's Julian. Hi, Julian. Pleased to meet you.
For example, in this part of the video, you will find some exercises where you can use the learning strategy. Listen for details, following the steps.
Okay, but why to use this learning strategy? Because it makes easier to complete listening exercises during tests or exam, and also
Helps you to reduce your anxiety while listening because you know in beforehand what to pay attention to.
Okay, another learning strategy is taking notes. What is it about? With this strategy is about writing down important words you identify in a listening exercise.
Okay, so how are you going to use it? First, have a notebook or a piece of paper and a pencil before the listening exercise starts. Second, listen and write short sentence keywords or symbols about the listening. The third one, compare notes with another person. And the last, check if your ideas were correct.
And finally, why is important to take notes in a listening exercise? Taking notes helps you to capture information and to focus your attention during the listening time.
Yes, I am. Tom's my friend. Tom's my friend too.
Okay, we hope you learned these strategies to use in listening exercises.
Okay, thank you to watch the video. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the learning strategies. Bye.